To fix a Messenger app that won't open links, several potential issues can be addressed. Firstly, an outdated app may be the culprit, in which case updating the Messenger app is necessary. This can be done by finding the app on a mobile device, long pressing it, and selecting Uninstall or Remove. Then, head to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, search for the Messenger app, and tap the Install button to reinstall it. Another possible reason for the issue is a slow internet connection. To resolve this, try resetting the Wi-Fi router by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for 2 minutes, and then reconnecting it. If the problem persists, it may be related to the browser. In this case, when a link is sent on the Messenger, click on it and tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the option to open the link in a different browser, such as Chrome or Safari, depending on what is available on the mobile device. By following these steps, the issue with the Messenger app not opening links should be resolved.